Welcome to Discover the Beauty Within, the art of belly dancing, a mesmerizing journey into the world of this ancient and captivating dance form. In this video, we'll explore the beautiful belly dances by our wonderful Porshia Vonne, the Belly Queen. Belly dancing is also known as Oriental dancing. It has its roots in ancient civilizations such as Egypt and Mesopotamia. These ancient depictions reveal the significance of belly dancing, not only as a form of entertainment, but also as a celebration of femininity, fertility, and cultural expression. Today, belly dancing has evolved into a powerful art form embraced by people all over the world, transcending cultural boundaries. Belly dancing celebrates diversity, empowering individuals of all ages, shapes, and backgrounds to express themselves through its enchanting movements. And we dance. Enjoy the beautiful visuals of belly dancing. Body positivity, self-confidence, and a deep connection with oneself. Don't just take my word for it. Try it yourself. It can be very exhilarating, very empowering, and make you feel like you can control every single part of your body. You don't have to have perfect form. Just have fun. That's what life is about. So please enjoy it.